In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your HP OfficeJet 250 mobile all-in-one printer to a new Wi-Fi. Go to the printer display panel, scroll down and click on the wireless icon. Click on the settings and select restore network settings. So this will disconnect the printer from the previous Wi-Fi. So click yes. Network defaults are restored. To connect it with the new Wi-Fi, simply click on the wireless settings and then click on the wireless setup wizard. It will give you the list of Wi-Fi networks. You just have to select the Wi-Fi. You just have to select your Wi-Fi and enter its password. Once you enter the password, click on the done and click OK to apply. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Press OK. So we have connected it with the new Wi-Fi network. Next step is to add this printer in your laptop, MacBook or smartphone. So if you are using a smartphone or Windows 11 laptop or MacBook, you can just download the HP Smart app. And it works really good with the app. Click on the HP Smart app. We have to add the printer, so click on the printer icon on the top and select second option, already connected to network. Select your printer. Instantly it will add up the printer and it will display the estimated level of ink, and we can start using it for printing and scanning. So this way we can connect this printer with the new Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.